Hello and welcome. Today we're making a fun and easy paper traffic light. This is a great craft for kids, perfect for learning about road safety or just for play. Let's gather our materials and get started. A black sheet of construction paper for the main body. First, we're going to cut a rectangle. Ours is about 8 inches wide and 10 inches tall. There are red, yellow, and green. Let's trace a bottle cap or a small glass to get perfect circles. Now, let's cut out 3 circles, all the same size. They need to fit behind the frames we just made. Put a good amount of glue on the back of your first light assembly. Let's add a stick to roll the traffic lights. And there you have it. Your very own paper traffic light is complete. It's perfect for a diorama, a school project, or just for fun pretend play. We hope you enjoyed this craft. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun DIY ideas. See you next time!